would like to hear your feedback or testimonial regarding for my hosting. Take it away. Daddy Chef, kung okay lang po.
5 stars, of course. Siyempre, you managed to get the crowd lively and you were in the heart of the party. You did the program well, even though there's really no preparation at all, I could say. 5 star, well recommended po kung may pa-party po kayo, Mr. Stanley po.
Thank you so much, Sir Stanley, and looking forward for more birthdays that you will be hosting to us, and have a great day. Thank you so much.
Ayun na nga talaga, ladies and gentlemen, let me round of applause once again for this beautiful family. The Pilares family together with Daddy Chef, Brother Aaron, our beautiful, adorable